Hello children, welcome back to our part 2 video in which we are doing today, as you all know, we are doing chapter number 9, our home. Okay, so in this chapter children, I hope you all have watched my part 1 video in which I have explained you that what is a home, a house, what is a house and how it becomes a home. Okay, and how many rooms are there in a house and what are they used for. Okay, so today we have done only half part of the chapter, and now in this part 2 video I will be giving you hard words of this chapter. Okay, so I want you all to listen to each and every word very carefully. I will be explaining you the spelling as well as its pronunciations, so I want you all to listen to each and every word very carefully, and please understand how your teacher is pronouncing the words and what are the correct spellings. Okay, then after that, when you will be writing in your EVS notebook, I want you all to learn these hard words or the new words very nicely, because they will be coming in your exam as missing letters. Okay, so let's get started with our today's part 2 video. First of all, you have to take out your EVS notebook now and turn to a new page. Okay, एक new page पे आप खोलेंगे अपनी EVS notebook, and then first of all what you will do, you will write down today's date. आज की date क्या है? 10/8/2021. Okay, so you will write down the date here, and many of you are not writing the dates as when you gave your notebooks for correction. I have seen that many of you have not written dates, which is a very bad thing. Children, you are doing your work daily, so you have to write down on which day you have done which work. Okay, so the date should be always there. Then coming to the first line, you will give the heading of the chapter with its number. Chapter number 9, our home. Then in the second line you will give the heading of assignment number, that is 9.1. Okay, then from third line you will give the heading new words, which is the A part. Today's exercise is part A, new words. Okay, so in all there are 10 new words children, so I will explain it to you with spellings and with pronunciation and with their meanings. Okay, so you have to listen to it very carefully. Are you all ready? Very good. So the first word is house. HOUSE, house. Now what is the correct pronunciation of HOUSE? It is house. Okay, and what is a house? Which is it is a place which is used for living. Okay, जहाँ पे हम लोग रहते हैं. Coming to the second word, that is FAMILY, family. FAMILY, family. Now what is the meaning of family children? When you are staying in a home with many members, they all are your family. Okay, when you are staying with your parents, with your grandparents, uncles, aunts, so all these people make up a family. Okay, so FAMILY is family. Now coming to the third one, DRAWING, drawing. ROOM, room, drawing room. Now what is the meaning of drawing room children? Drawing room is the first room of your house or of your home when you enter. Okay, जैसे ही आप अपने घर में अंदर एंटर करते हो, सबसे पहला रूम कौन सा पड़ता है? ड्राइंग रूम. एंड ड्राइंग रूम इज़ अ प्लेस वेयर वी सिट and watch television, where we sit with our guests. Whoever comes to our house, they sit in the drawing room. Okay, now coming to the next word, that is STUDY, study. ROOM, room, study room. Now what is a study room children? Study room is a place, or it is a room where you do your studies. Now study room itself is showing that it is related to studies. Okay, so study room में हम क्या करते हैं? हमारे सारी बुक्स कॉपीज़ वहीं होती हैं और हम वहीं पे स्टडी करते हैं. ये नहीं कि आप बेडरूम में बैठ के पढ़ रहे हो, ये नहीं आप ड्राइंग रूम में 10 लोगों के साथ बैठ के पढ़ रहे हो. नो, What you have to do? You have to study in your study room only. Clear? Now coming to the fifth word, kitchen, kitchen. Now what is a kitchen, children? Very easy, you all know. Whatever food you eat, that is prepared in a kitchen only. So kitchen is a place where your mother cooks फूड फॉर यू, टेस्टी फूड फॉर यू. आपकी जब भी डिमांड होती है मम्मा मैगी खानी है, मम्मा अभी हमें कुछ और खाना है, लाइक राइस खाना है, ओके, कुछ भी खाना है, आपको भूख लगी है तो मम्मी को आप बोलते हो, तो मम्मी कहाँ जाती है खाना बनाने? किचन में. सो किचन इज़ अ प्लेस विच इज़ यूज्ड फॉर कुकिंग फूड. KITCHEN, kitchen. Okay. Now coming to the sixth word, that is DINING, dining, ROOM, room, dining room. Now children, dining room is a room or it is a place where we sit together and have our meals. Have our meals मतलब हम अपना खाना डाइनिंग रूम में डाइनिंग टेबल पे बैठ के खाते हैं. Is that clear? So I hope many of you must be having a separate dining room and you must be having a dining table where you always sit with your parents and all the family members and eat your meals. Okay. So dining room is a place for eating food. Now coming to the seventh word, that is BED, bed, ROOM, room, bedroom. Now again children, bedroom is a place when you are pronouncing this word bedroom, so again the word bed is itself saying that it is a room where your bed is laid and you sleep there. Okay, you relax in your bedroom. So bedroom is a place where you come and sleep and relax. Okay. Now coming to the eighth word, that is BATH, bath, ROOM, room, bathroom. Now bathroom is a place where you go for washroom, where you go for your bathing. Okay, जब आपको नहाने जाना होता है तो आप कहाँ जाते हो? किचन में? No. Bedroom में? No. You straight away go to a bathroom. Okay, so bathroom is used for these purposes. Now coming to the ninth word, that is CUP, cup, BOARDS, boards, cupboards. Now cupboards is a thing, or is it is a kind of thing which is used to keep your clothes, your important documents, whatever you want to keep. Okay, your jewelry. Okay, many of you must be having cupboards in which there are lockers are also made. Okay, so उस लॉकर में आपके मम्मी पापा अपना इम्पॉर्टेंट सामान, बहुत कीमती सामान, ओके, या कैश, ये सब चीज़ें रखते हैं. और कबर्ड्स में हम क्या रखते हैं? अपने कपड़े. ठीक है, तो अगर हम अपने कपड़े कबर्ड्स में नहीं रखेंगे तो कहाँ रखेंगे? फैलाएंगे? नो. एक प्रॉपर प्लेस बनी है कपड़े रखने के लिए, कबर्ड्स में. ओके, सो हर बेडरूम में और रूम्स में आपके कबर्ड्स होते हैं जिसमें आप अपने कपड़े और अपना और भी ज़रूरत का सामान रखते हो. नाउ कमिंग टू द लास्ट वर्ड, दैट इज़ द 10th वर्ड, क्लीन. CLEAN, क्लीन मतलब साफ़ सुथरा. हमें हमेशा अपना घर साफ़ रखना चाहिए. क्लीन, नीट एंड क्लीन. ओके, सो दैट इज़ ऑल चिल्ड्रन. देर आर ओनली दीज 10 new words. I hope you all have understood all these 10 words. Once again I am repeating. Number 1 is HOUSE, house. Number 2 is FAMILY, family. Number 3 is DRAWING, drawing. ROOM, room, drawing room. 4th one is STUDY, study. ROOM, room, study room. Then number 5th is kitchen, KITCHEN, kitchen. Number 6th is DINING, dining. ROOM, room, dining room. Then 7th one is BED, bed. ROOM, room, bedroom. 8th one is BATH, bath. ROOM, room, bathroom. And 9th one is CUP, cup. BOARDS, boards, cupboards. Then the 10th one is CLEAN, clean. So by this we complete with our today's video part 2. Okay, so I want you all to watch first of all watch part 1 video and understand the topic, and then switch on to this video, part 2 video, and understand all the 10 words, and then now you will write in your notebook. So that is all for today, children. Bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.